Number 9, which of the following nuclei lie within the band of stability? So the band of stability is just a fancy way for saying, is this isotope, right, with this type of notation, is this a stable isotope with its protons and neutrons, or is it unstable? If it is stable, then it is within the band of stability. Now this graph over here shows the big bad band of stability. The blue is all of your stable isotopes, and the green, those are all your unstable isotopes. So we got a lot of unstables going out in the world. But anyway, is this in question stable or unstable, right? We have radon, Rn, with 222, right? 222. Now this big number up top here, this is always going to be your atomic mass. So the atomic mass is always the accumulation of all the protons and the neutrons that are in the nucleus. So we got protons plus neutrons. But, you know, I mean, we have an atomic mass. What am I writing? No, and EU. There we go. Okay, so we have a huge number here, right? Generally, if you're in the 200s, you're a big atom. And big atoms have a higher chance of being unstable. If we look here, right? Look at all this. This is all green. Now, this is the accumulation of neutrons and protons. So if we do add up the x and the y-axis, I mean, you're going to get pretty big numbers. But the question is, where's the cutoff, right? Here is the last known stable isotope. And if we did add up those numbers, which I did for you here, that is going to be equal to 208. All isotopes with an atomic mass greater than 208, they're unstable. So no matter what you have, if you even have magic numbers for a proton or a neutron, it doesn't matter. If you have an atomic mass that's greater than 208, this is absolutely unstable. It's going to fizz out, it's going to undergo fission, and it's going to produce isotopes that are smaller and more stable. So right off the bat, I see that I have an atomic mass of 222. This is way larger than 208. That's our cutoff. So automatically, no way. This is not part of the band of stability. So it's going to undergo fission or something to get it down. And that's it. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to helping you in more lessons. I hope you're having a great day. And just want to let you know we have memberships on the channel. If you wanted to become a member, you totally can. And I think that's it. So I'll talk to you soon, okay? All right, bye-bye.